Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. 8 days video. You're going to see Gosloto 749. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like and share. Alright, so today we're going to make money using we're going to first do this. Alright, let's see our pencil. It's Tuesday. I hope we make money. You take these numbers. Let's see. The first row. If you take this number, add them together, you will split them like 12 is 1 and 2. Like this. 15 is 1 plus 5. 19 is 1 plus 9. So we have a 3, 6, which is going to give us 9, and the 10, it's going to be 19. So 3 here we have a 19. Now you move. This is a 3 and the 4 it's 7. This is a 10 is 17. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then we have a 17 and 6, which is a 23. Then we're going to add 23 on 19. So you take each number, you add each together. In a form of split. This is going to give us 42. Now I'm going to use, first of all, remember to join my WhatsApp group or join the YouTube membership of Banker. The WhatsApp group joining fee is 100 once off. There's another private group which you can join only if you are a member of that. So look here, we have 06777 29 841. Now that is the phone number you should join now. So we have a 42. This is 42 because it came on the first draw of the day. It's gonna be the banker of your whole day. So you're gonna say 42 is a 2 and a 4. 42 again is 12, 21. 42 is a 24 when you split. 42 is a 14 and a 12. 14 also 41. Always remember to split your numbers. 42 is a 4 and a 40 and a 20. Because 4 and a 2 is a 4 or 40. 2 is a 2 or 20, right? What else do we have for 42? We already did a 14, 12. Yeah, it's 32 and it's also 41 and 43. So if you do plus or minus, so that will be your banker. Let's see what we have here. 42 again is a 2, 4. Between there is a skip which is 3. So that is also another number. 3 is another number. Yeah. And the 13 or 31, because we have a 12 or 14, but in the 42, which is 13, is sitting there. So meaning you're gonna play only that you code the whole day. So we have a 2, 4 here. We have a 3, 42 itself, 12 or 21 itself, and the 3. Let's say you remove it, you didn't know that you can also check the skip. And then you have 12, 21, and 42. Alright, so that was a 2 number, 3 number. Then we have 14. 42 is a 14 and a 21. If you remember the skip, 13, 31 is there. 3 number. Let's go to the next one. 42 is a 4. They play the skip only, and we have a 40. 42 is a 4 of 40. Right? They say forgot the skip with that one. But if you check very well, 4 plus 2 is a 6. 6 or 16 or 9. Look, 16 is sitting there. So you put those number on the paper, then you use other strategies so that you can see which number you're gonna choose to the next row. Alright. So we have a 21 here, 3 skip, 42, nothing else. Yeah. So only 13 came. So now it's like you have the record. Nah? That was the strategy that I discovered. Now I'm gonna show you another one, what you call chess number. You will come and use the first 4 rows of the day. You only use the last numbers. Right. So do the same thing that as we did. 37 is 3 plus 7. 42 is 4 plus 2. So we're gonna have a 10, 14, 16. Here we get 16. Now here we have 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 is 15. Now we have a 15. We have 4 plus 2 and 4 plus 6 is 16. Again, because it's 10 and 6, here we have a 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we have a 7, 15, 16. 16 is hot. So we can spin it. 7, 15, 16. 16 is there twice. Can it be 19 or 1 and 6? Let's move. Alright, so let's go. Then you're gonna include those numbers in your after 4, because we use the first 4 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because the 16 appeared before, that's why it's sitting here. You see it? And the 15, 15, 16, they're already here. Then 7, you are 7, 15 is 16, you come back after 4 rows, right? Then we have a 7 here. Did you see that? 7, 15, 16. Let me check something. I think we did make some mistakes somewhere. Here we have a 16, 8, and 10. Sorry, it's 18 because, yeah, it's 18 and 16, then 7. So I have a 7, 6, 18, 16. 10 is 16, 8 and 10, 18. 10 and 4 is 16. Yeah, 16. 7 is 16, 18, not 15. 7 is 16, 18. Alright. So we have 4 rows done. Then you check from here. 7 is 16, 18. 7 is sitting there, and 18. 18 repeated, and the 16 repeats. So the bankers of the last 3 draws, it was 7, 16, 18, which came. 7, 16, 18, which came. Yeah, that is how it is, guys. So the first of all draws is the last 2 numbers to check the banker of the last 3 draws. Alright, now let's use our usual code, guys. So yesterday we did a win. Where is it? Yesterday we took our draw code, you add them together, it was 14, you multiply by 49, you get the answer x, you take the answer x, you divide the total number of the draw, which is 7, you get x1. After getting x1, you multiply by the date. The date was 17, then 17, you get x2, then you take x2, you add 56. Now we understand each other. Yeah, because some people say they don't understand. You take this code, you multiply by 49, you get the answer x. You take that answer x, you divide it by 7, you get the answer x1. You take that answer x1, right? You see we already divide, you multiply by the date, right? Then you get the answer x2, which is 1, that x2, you take x2 plus 56. So I hope now you understand, because someone complained. So that's where we took our 14. Now we're going to use 14 on the calculator. Remember, I'm trading Forex. For the people who want to learn Forex, they can still come to learn. Forex is the better way to make money. Alright, so we have a 14 multiplied by 49, right? Equal, divided by 7, equal. Then I take a 98, right? 98, I already divided. I multiply by the date, which was 17. 17, I multiply the date, which was the next one. I got to that one. Then I also get the answer. Then also I add 56, which gave me that. So we have 1,666. So we have 1,666. Yeah, here. 166Z. That was the code, guys. So check for me if you see our number. So now the first draw gave us 12. We wanted 3 numbers, in fact. Then it's 16, 19. Then we have a 22, guys. They always add 10, so we have a 27. They played 37 because 37 was a missing number. Now, the 2 number is hot, as I always tell you that you must add the number together. 2, 4, and 22 were a hot number, and 6 or 9, right? Now, 2, 4 came to the second draw. The third draw, 12, 21 came, right? The other draw, we have a 16, 21. So where does 21 come from? Most of the time, they're going to take this number sitting at the back, the last answer, minus 1. I didn't even think of this one. I just think of this one minus 1. That's what they do. 16 came here and the 21 came here. And when you answer, when you do all the numbers together, you can see 1,722. you you add these numbers together, it's gonna still be 12 or 21. 1 is 6, 6 is equal to 19 or 16. So 21, 12, 16, 19 was the banker also. Look, 21, 16, 16, and no 19. 19 came, yeah, it came to the first row. Yeah, there you go. So that is what you do, and play the numbers the whole day. We play them the whole day, right? Now remember we had our 18, we had our 16, then we had also what 42 to give us 12 or 21. So for today, we're using this one. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We're adding this number is 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1. So we're going to have 12. Alright. Alright, so the code is 12 multiplied by 49 is equal to 588. Right? 588. Then you divide by 7 numbers of the row. It's giving us 84. Then you multiply by the date 18, which is today. It's 1, 5 and 12. Then you say equal. Then you add 56. It's gonna be the last number is 568 and 11568. So now that we have this, we have the last one was the number that I see in the code. A hot number, it's 8. Yeah, 8 is a hot. Then the second one, okay, let me say 1, 5, 12 is a code. And when you add the number together, it's 6, 7, 9, right? Then the other code is, I'm saying if you add all these number together, the other code is 1568. When you add all the numbers together, is 14, 19, 20. 20 or 2. So we have a 9 or 6, 20 or 2. Then we have a 8 as the codes. In the 3 codes, we have a 8 in those 3 codes. Every time you have a 8, you have a 2 and a 4 as a hot number. So they can play 2, 4, 8, 9, 20 or 2 as the hot numbers of today's rows, right? Today's rows. Now, so let's let me write this. Right, 8, 9, 20. 20 can be 2, 9 can be 6. Now, when you do this, we have also, yesterday we had this, then this one gave us 12, 21. Now we have this, sorry, like this, and the 6, 8, right? So we have a 15, 16, 18, but we don't have a 17. 17 is a skip in the code. We're gonna use 17 as a skip. Then we have the last number minus the first one is 68. So we're gonna take a 6 plus 8, we get 14. Then you take a 14 minus 1 is 13. So the answer is 13, right? Then you play 15, 16, 18. Then among this number, 1568, there is one number which will come with 20, right? So we're going to have 21, 25, 26, 28. Among those of number, one number should drop, because that's what I noticed, and it's working. So we have 21, 25, 26, 28, but they can choose to play 27, which is a skip. So we have 21, 25, 26, 28. So 21 was hot. So when the number is hot, to keep being hot, they can play 21. Alright? So those are the numbers from this code, and the other code is what name is 1512. There is 12, there is a 15. So we have a 15, 16, 18, then we have a 21. So the code is also 2 there, because it says a 2's. Alright, this is a 2. Remember yesterday we have 166, which is 6 and 18. We have a 12 and 18 from that one. 12, 21, 18 came twice, 12, 21 came many times. I can't even count. So every time you see a twin number in the code, it's your chance of winning that number. Let me see. So as I said, the first code, play the whole day. So let me see. Yesterday on 17, 12, 21, and the other one was 18. 18 came at the last wave, the last draw, which is this one. Yeah. So we are done now, and I hope you make money. See you again. If you use our code, which give us more number, here we have 89, here we have 80, 70, 87. Thank you so much. Bye bye.